You are like a gazelle of a young stag. I praise you. You are loved by virgins. I praise you. You are loved by the righteous. I praise you. Beloved Son, I praise you. Loving Son, I praise you. Son of the Most High God, I praise you. Christ, the Son of the Blessed, I praise you. Son of Man, I praise you. Son who has been made perfect forever, I praise you. He who is called Son of David, I praise you. God who never fails in his promises, I praise you. Christ, the same yesterday, today, and forever, I praise you. Perfect in love, I praise you. Father in heaven, you are perfect, I praise you. He who is perfect in knowledge, I praise you. Light of the world, I praise you. The true light, I praise you. The light that enlightens every man, I praise you. Light of the nations, I praise you. The faithful witness, I praise you. The Lamb that had been slain, I praise you. Lamb of God, I praise you. The one shepherd, I praise you. Great shepherd, I praise you. Good shepherd, I praise you. He who laid down his life for the sheep, I praise you. Chief shepherd, I praise you. Shepherd and guardian, I praise you. You were wounded for our transgressions, I praise you. You were bruised for our iniquities, I praise you. You bore the sin of many, I praise you. You took our infirmities and bore our sickness, I praise you. You bore our grief and carried our sorrows, I praise you. You shed your blood for us, I praise you. The chastisement for our peace was upon you, I praise you. He who tasted death for everyone, I praise you. You were mocked for our sake, I praise you. You were scorned by men, I praise you. You were despised by the people, I praise you. You were numbered with transgressors, I praise you. He who made intercession for the transgressors, I praise you. For your stripes that heal us, I praise you. Resurrected Christ, I praise you. The resurrection and the life, I praise you. The way, the truth, and the life, I praise you. The firstborn, I praise you. The first fruit, I praise you. The door, whoever enters through me will be saved, I praise you. Conqueror of death, I praise you. Conqueror of hell, I praise you. The one who has the keys of death and hell, I praise you. He that has the key of David, I praise you. He that shuts that no man opens, I praise you. He that opens that no man shuts, I praise you. Bread from heaven, I praise you. Bread of life, I praise you. River of life, I praise you. The fountain of living water, I praise you. Author of life, I praise you. Our life and length of our life, I praise you. Word of life, I praise you. Light of life, I praise you. He who proclaimed the light, I praise you. Rock of our salvation, I praise you. Everlasting rock, I praise you. Spiritual rock, I praise you. The rock who begot me, I praise you. The strength of my heart, I praise you. Rock of my stronghold, I praise you. Rock of my refuge and my inhabitation, I praise you. My Redeemer, I praise you. My Helper, I praise you. My hope, I praise you. My husbandman, I praise you. My Creator, I praise you. My friend, I praise you. My beloved, the pleasant, I praise you. You are my praise, I praise you. My salvation, I praise you. The strength of my salvation, I praise you. The strength and my song, I praise you. The strength of my life, I praise you. My light, I praise you. My Holy One, I praise you. My Comfort, I praise you. My glory, I praise you. My goodness, I praise you. My hiding place, I praise you. My high tower, I praise you. You are the portion of my inheritance and my cup, I praise you. You maintain my lot, I praise you. My portion in the land of the living, I praise you. Guide of my youth, I praise you. My master, I praise you. My beloved is mine, I praise you. The one who cares about me, I praise you. My witness, I praise you. He who goes over before me, I praise you. My judge, I praise you. Judge of all the earth, I praise you.